Hi students, how are you all? Today we are going to learn about lesson 2, My Wonderful Body. Our body parts has external part and internal part. We see a external part. We cannot see internal part. Lungs, brain, heart, kidney, they are within our body. Every part is very important to us. Even if there is no part of the body that is injured, it can be very sad. Show your knees. You know the name of this? There will be hair on our head. I will sing one rhymes. La 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 la. Head, shoulder, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulder, knees and toes, knees and toes. Eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulder, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulder, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulder, knees and toes, knees and toes. Eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulder, knees and toes, knees and toes. La 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 la. Let us know the parts of our body. There are many parts in the face. Chin, cheek, teeth, lips, mouth, nose, eyes, eyebrow, forehead, ears, head, hair. These are face part. This is my head. These are my ears. These are my eyes. This is my nose. These are my cheek. This is my chin. This is my mouth. These are my teeth. This is my tongue. This is my neck. These are my shoulders. These are my hands. This is my elbow. This is my waist. These are my fingers. This is my chest. This is my stomach. These are my thigh. These are my knees. This is my leg. This is my ankle. This is my foot. These are my toes or my body parts. Observe the picture. Little Varun is moving his body in so many ways. Shall we try the same actions? Hello kids, shall we do some actions? Walking, running, kick the ball with your leg, scratch your body left and right, scratch your hands for your hands, writing, bend your knees, hit the ball with your hand, bend your elbows, jumping, raise your eyebrows, lift your back, raise your left hand, clap your hands, blink your eyes, touch Touch your nose. Nod your head. Skipping. Some of our body parts are in pairs and some are single. What are the paired organs in our body? Eyes, ears, hands and legs are paired organs. Nose, mouth, neck, abdomen, stomach are single organs. We experience different feelings like happiness, sadness, fear and anger. We show this feeling with our facial expression. Try making this expression. This is my happy face. This is my angry face. This is my silly face. This is my sad face. This is my crying face. Draw the facial expression. Each finger of your hand has a name. Do you know the names? The names of the toes do not come like that. The names of the toes are first toe, second toe, third toe, fourth toe, fifth toe. Fingers name: first finger, thumb finger, index finger, middle finger, ring finger, little finger. I'll sing one rhymes. First finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? First finger, what's your name? I am thumb, it's my name. Second finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Second finger, what's your name? I am index, it's my name. Third finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Third finger, what's your name? I am middle, that's my name. Fourth finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Fourth finger, what's your name? I am ring, it's my name. Fifth finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Fifth finger, what's your name? I am little, that's my name. This is the thumb because it is thicker than the other finger. The other finger are thinner than this. This is the index finger because it helps to show others. We use the index finger more to show the next one. Do you use your thumb to show others? No. We all use the index finger. This is the middle finger because it's in the middle of 5 fingers. There will be 2 fingers on side of the middle finger. There will be put the ring on this finger. So this is ring finger. Which finger do your parents put the ring on? They will put the ring on the ring finger. The last finger, little finger, because it is smaller than the other finger. They will not put the ring in it. We are able to learn, understand and enjoy all the things around us because of all sense organs. I hear many sounds with my ears. Some sounds are loud, some sounds are soft. The crowing, the bell ringing, the clock ticking, the sounds of moving train, the sounds of water drop. How the crow crows? Ka, ka, ka. The sounds of bell ringing. How about the sounds of bell ringing? It's called ding dong, ding dong. A lot of people even ringing the bell for God. How the clock make the noise? Tick tock, tick tock. How is the sound of the train? Chick book, chick book, chick book. How about the sounds of water dropping from the tap? Tap, tap, tap. The sounds of baby crying? Quack, quack, quack. We hear a different of sounds around us. We see and hear the world around us. We also use our sense of touch, smell and taste to know the world around us. There are different kinds of taste like sweet, sour, salty and bitter. Our tongue helps us to taste. The lemon is sour, the mango is sweet and the bitter gourd is bitter. What do you like to eat? Our eyes help us to see the different objects around us. We can see things around us with the help of our eyes. We see the colors and shape. The eyes help us see. Can we see colors if we do not have one eyes? Cannot. Only the eyes can see. We all see with our eyes. Which organ help to hear? The ear help us to hear. With the help of our ears, we can hear the different kinds of sound. We can smell with the help of our nose. We smell through our nose the smell of different things, good and bad, like food, flowers, medicines, garbage can only be known with the help of nose. Tongue helps us to enjoy the different flavor of taste. We can feel things by touching it. This is done with the help of the skin. Hot, cold, smooth, rough, soft, hard, etc. We enable to see, hear, smell, taste and feel all the good things of life. What tastes like lemon? It will be sure. Have you tasted the lemon? How do we? What is the taste of mango? That would be sweet. What is the taste of green mango? It will be sour. Do you like bitter gourd? Bitter gourd is bitter. Knowing different taste is our tongue. How to maintain personal hygienic? How do you keep yourself healthy? Bathing daily can be healthy. This is a Mala. She woke up early in the morning. This is a gem. Mala cannot see the gem. Gem is very small. Gem is waiting to get inside Mala body. Mala brushes her teeth. Mala takes a bath. The soap attacks Gem. Gem becomes sad. Mala is clean and happy. Mala goes to school. Mala goes to the washroom. Mala does not wash her hands with soap. Gem is happy. Gem enter Mala nails. Mala eats her lunch. Gem goes into Mala's stomach. Mala falls sick. Mala visits her doctor. The doctor tells her to Mala, here hands with soap before eating and after using the toilet. The doctor gives Mala's medicines. Mala gets well. Mala is happy. If you take a bath every day, germs will not be enter the body. How to wash your hands properly? I say step by step. Step 1. Wet hand with running water. Apply enough soap to cover wet hand. Step 2. Rub your hands together. Step 3. Scrub all surface of the hands including back of hands. Step 4. Rub your thumb using your other hand. Do the same with the other thumb. Step 5. Rub the back of your finger against your palm. Step 6. Rub your hands together and clean in between your fingers. Step 7. Rub the tip of your fingers on the palm of your other hand. Do the same with the other hand. Step 8. Washing hands thoroughly with running water. Step 9. Dry your hands with a clean cloth. When should you wash your hands? When your hands are dirty, after using the toilet, before eating, after touching animals, a sick relative or friends, before and after visiting a sick relative or friends. Wash your hands properly after playing outside. We wash our hands after with soap. Why is it important to wash your hands? We have to wash our hands well because germs first get on our hands and nails will go into the mouth through it. If the germs enter the stomach, it can affect our health. So, wash your hands well. We must brush our teeth twice a day, once in the morning and once at night. Rubbing twice a day will keep the teeth clean. We have to brush our teeth twice. Let's see how to brush teeth. Brush your teeth up and down. Brush your teeth round and round. Brush your teeth from left to right. Brush your teeth from side to side. Brush your teeth in morning and night. Brush, brush, brush. Brush, brush, brush. Brush, brush, brush. What do you do after using the toilet? Pour water. Pour water after using the toilet. Wipe your feet. You need to wipe your feet well. Wash your hands with soap. Hands should be washed with soap. Finally, wipe your hands well. Mom should not be help your bathroom. Do it yourself. These pictures show our daily routine. Arrange them in square. Next, tick the things which help to keep you clean. Observe the picture and draw a line. Circle near the kite. Star near the object with produce sound. Rectangle near the object with smile. Triangle near the object with this tasty. Square near the object people touch. Who is on the side for the kite? Have to circle near the boy. Who are the noise making this picture? The dog and horn will make the noise. So they need to draw the star on this side. Some activities keep us healthy and some do not. Tick the activities that keep us healthy and cross those that do not. Playing, skipping is healthy for our body. So let's put tick in the box. Cold, cough, not good for the health. So put the wrong in the box. Playing seesaw, good for the health. So let's put the tick in the box. Okay, student.